video is about the Nova Mini Mack and Mack rolling walker. So I'm going to show you how to do the quick and easy assembly, the great features, and then how to use your walker. All right, so once you've taken the walker out of the box, you'll also have the basket and the backrest. Go ahead and open up the walker. It's really easy. Just pull it up, and then you're just going to push down on the seat, and that just opens up your walker. You're going to see these rubber like little hats here. Go ahead and pull them out. They look like little hats, and you can just discard these. Go ahead and take the handle and insert them in. They're not going to go all the way just yet because there is a screw through there, but it makes it easier to handle. All right, now we're going to adjust the handle to your desired height. And the screws, we already have them threaded through here for safe keeping. Go ahead and unthread that. And then you're going to adjust the handle to your desired height. So I recommend adjusting the handle to your wrist. And that gives you a nice 30-degree bend in your elbow, a nice starting point. So go ahead and get that there, and then thread the start knob all the way through to the other end until it's nice and tight. And do the same thing for the other side. You're going to want this side exactly the same height as the other side. So I've got 3 holes exposed there. Same thing on this side. And then thread it all the way through to the other side and make it nice and tight. All right, now your handles are adjusted and installed. Next, let's put on the backrest. So you're going to see on the backrest, you'll have 2 brass screws. Make sure they're facing up. Go ahead and insert them into the holder. You're going to push the button on each end, just kind of slide it in, then give it a nice tug, and then it just snaps right in. It's really easy. Then the basket just goes right in front, and this is of course optional, easy to remove, and this just sits just like that. All right, now your walker is put together and ready to go. So let me show you the features of the Mack and the Mini Mack. First, we have our easy to use feather touch handbrake system. So we've got this comfort mold handle that allows you to set your thumb, so comfy on the hands, and then the brakes are very easy to use. All you have to do is simply pull up on this lever, very comfy, and that controls your wheels, controls your speed and your stability. Then to park the walker, you simply just push down on the lever, again, very easy, and now your walker is in a parked, locked position. And in this position, you can lean on it for some support, but then also that's when you want to sit down. So with the walker in a parked locked position, you can sit down. And you always want your brakes in this parked locked position when you are seated. And then keep them locked so you can get up and then release them when you are ready to go. It comes with a flip up back, so it's nice and compact when it folds. And the seat is a blow molded seat with a nice removable seat pad. And what's great about the seat pad is that you can remove it, you can clean it, and also it has these holes for an optional tray. And this optional tray works so well right on top of the seat, so you can carry food, personal belongings, and then super easy to remove to use the seat again. All right, the seat just folds up like this. We have a built-in seat handle, and what's great is that this walker also comes with our patented lock and load. It's this little gadget right here, and what this does is it keeps the walker in a folded position. So all you need to do is insert the lock and load. It's essentially a hinge stopper. It keeps the walker in a folded position. You can get it in and out of your car. You just gently push down on it, and then you squeeze the brakes, and it opens the walker right up. So this walker comes in 2 sizes, the Mini Mack, which has a lower seat height, more ideal for petite users, and then the Mack that has a higher seat height, better for your average height users. Both come with rugged 8-inch wheels, and then they will come with our user guide, customer service information, so you can contact us anytime. All right, enjoy your Mack or Mini Mack rolling walker.